Greetings everyone. I have finally made it to the Ngong Road Naivasha Road interchange. For years, this junction has been notorious for its long traffic jam and has caused frustration to motorists daily. In order to solve this problem, the government committed about 3.8 billion shillings for the construction of this flyover that you are seeing right now. Right now, I am walking along the newly constructed pedestrian pathway that has been finished with red carbon paving blocks that provide a smooth and comfortable walking surface. As you can see beside the walkway, there is a well-designed drainage system that is important in ensuring that both the tarmac road and the pathway remains durable. It ensures this by channeling rainwater away from the road and pedestrian areas.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels.
Let me share this detail with you before I forget. Since I began walking beneath this flyover, there's one detail that I have been noticing. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the main support pillars of this flyover are clearly reinforced concrete, but if you look closely at the lower sections around the base, you'll notice a different finish, one that appears metallic. We have now arrived at the intersection of Ngong Road and Kenyan Road. On paper, it can appear that traffic towards the CBD is flowing very well. There won't be any traffic or congestion in this intersection. But now, as you can see that even with the new flyover in place, this intersection still remains busy. And as you can see, vehicles are patiently waiting for traffic lights to change before proceeding. This is a reminder that while major infrastructure can significantly improve traffic flow, signal control junctions will continue to play an important role in managing the movement of vehicles and ensuring safe crossing of pedestrians. Naivasha Road serves as a major gateway to several residential and commercial areas in western Nairobi. As a result, this junction experiences a constant flow of vehicles joining and leaving the main carriageway throughout the day.
sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Kenya is set to host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations, and the nearby Talanta Stadium is expected to be one of the tournament venues. On match days, this corridor is likely to experience a substantial increase in traffic as thousands of fans make their way to and from the stadium. The roadway is fitted with modern street lighting, which will enhance visibility for motorists and improve safety during the night.
Going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight.
How would you rate Ngong Road Naivasha Road Flyover out of 10? Share your score in the comments.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love